Have you ever been working on a project in Basecamp and wanted to share it with someone who isn't a member of your team? Maybe you're working on a client project and you want to give them access to the files, or maybe you're just trying to share some of your work with friends and family. If you're not sure how to do this, don't worry. I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to get a public link in Basecamp. What is a public link? A public link is a special URL that you can use to share a Basecamp project or item with someone who isn't a member of your team. This link gives the person read-only access to the project or item, so they can see it but they can't make any changes to it. How to get a public link? There are two ways to get a public link in Basecamp: from the project or item page, from the Basecamp settings. From the project or item page. To get a public link from a project or item page, follow these steps. Go to the project or item page that you want to share. Click on the Share button. Select the Public Link option. Click on the Copy Link button. The public link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, chat message, or anywhere else you want to share it. From the Basecamp settings. To get a public link from the Basecamp settings, follow these steps. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the Basecamp screen. Select Settings. Click on the Public Links tab. Enter the name of the project or item that you want to share. Click on the Create Link button. The public link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, chat message, or anywhere else you want to share it. Using public links. Once you have a public link, you can share it with anyone you want. The person who receives the link will be able to see the project or item that you shared with them, but they won't be able to make any changes to it. If you want to give someone edit access to a project or item, you can share it with them as a collaborator instead of using a public link. Additional tips. You can customize the text that appears on a public link. You can set an expiration date for a public link. You can track who has accessed a public link. Getting a public link in Basecamp is a great way to share your work with others without giving them full access to your account. I hope this video has helped you learn how to do this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Basecamp tips and tricks.